way too honest. I'm tired of living on a broken promise, since everything I do seems to come right back at me. Don't tell me what is right or what is wrong, when you don't even listen to my songs. Think you use my innocence against me, don't you stress me.
What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. Today I have for you a back in the day video, and it was a Sunday. And somehow I always end up here on Sundays before I'm getting ready for church. But I am ready for fall. I am ready for fall. I am ready for fall. And my eyes have been showing it. And I have been itching to get back into my ABH Modern Renaissance because I love this palette and it just screams fall. And as you can see, this is a very well loved palette. I can't turn it all the way up because there is a broken shadow that has now all the way removed itself from the side, which I probably just need to get rid of it, but I can't. I need to get a new one of these. If I ever see it on sale, I probably will. But does this not scream fall? I mean, fall beautifulness. And I kind of have a vision for what I want to do. Something a little bit different. I've been kind of stuck in a rut of the same kind of pattern of doing my eyeshadow, and I just want to do it a little bit different today. So I have everything on my face, from, you know, foundation, bronzer, blush, highlighter, eyebrows, all the jazz, because I want to just concentrate on the eyes. So I am probably going to just use my editing software to show you which shades I'm using, because I'm afraid if I hold this up, I will end up dumping out Venetian red, and we need to not do that. So if you would like to see the vision of my makeup heart come to fruition, then please keep watching.
My vision, but you don't really care about what I'm feeling. Never listen, no. Tonight, don't test me, don't test me. My mind ain't ready, ain't ready. I don't wanna fight no more. I'm over giving up my soul tonight. Don't test me, don't test me. To what you know, and if I don't agree, it don't matter. All of my beliefs, they don't matter, no. Why you getting mad with my opinion? Seems that you are blinded to my vision, but you don't really care about what I'm feeling. Never listen, no. Who are you to lie like that? Who are you to act like that? Who are you to judge like that? Who are you, who are you, who are you, who are you to lie like that?
Alright guys, that's it for the eyeshadow part, but I want a pop of gold. And so I'm going to use my Stila glitter. This is Kitten Karma. It's a beautiful kind of pinky toned gold. So I'm going to use a brush, a different brush, not the little wandy thing, because I want to be able to put it exactly where I want it, and hopefully it'll work out that way. But I just kind of want a little flush of glitter in there, and maybe even on my inner corner. I'm going to go in with Vermeer in the inner corner first, and then put this on top of it. I may do that on my lid as well. I think I will. A little pop right here. Just a little pop. I'm gonna find my MAC 242 and use that. I don't want to completely cover up the red. And I kind of wanted to put a little tiny bit of that up here. Oh my goodness. I love that. I think that is so pretty. Okay, folks, so I'm going to go off camera and put on some winged eyeliner, some mascara, some lashes. I think I'm in the mood for really dramatic lashes. So I'm going to look at my lash story here. I love that I took the time to do this summer. I have all my lashes and I have them labeled as super dramatic, super dramatic, drama, sort of drama, and daily drama. So I think I'll be looking in the super drama today. I see this really wispy lash called Lily lash called Sydney. I don't know, I'm gonna have a hard time making up my mind, but I am going to use one of these. We shall see. You'll see whenever I come back. So I'll see you in a few. All right, kids, I am back. And I love these lashes. They are Whisper Sweet Nothings by Velour. And I know they are going to make my eyeliner wonky, so I'm going to let the eyeliner dry, or the lash glue dry. And after I do that, I'm just squeezing them together a little. After I do that, I will put a little more eyeliner on and mesh them together. But first I'm going to do lips. And I have the prettiest combination. And this is so inexpensive. This is Rimmel Lasting Finish Lipstick in the shade 200 Soft Hearted. And I think it will be perfect with this eye. And I'm going to use the one of my holy grail lip liners, which is East End Snobs also by Rimmel. Rimmel Exaggerate is the line. So I'm going to go ahead and put on the lippy. And then we'll do whatever repair work has to be done on the eyes. I keep seeing glue right here, which makes me wonder if it's on. But let's get on with the lip. Okay, folks, I am going to quickly just run over my lash band and do a little repair work here on my lash line, and yeah, it's not too bad actually. And then I'm going to mesh my lashes together a little, and then we're going to be out of here. take a look, make sure we like what's going on here. I like what's going on here. All right, guys, this is the final look. I'm so excited about it. I'm gonna set it. Let me back you out a little. And a little more. And then we are going to, oh, I want to use my Rich Lux. Hang on a minute. I had to go pull from my Busted the House Ice Cream Shack. Anyways, I'm going to use the mint chocolate chip to set. Oh my goodness. Whew. Beast, beast, beast. Just for Lisa and Krista. Beast. Okay, I am going to go get dressed and I will be back to say goodbye and I will be out of here. I'm going to church. I'm going to Planet Fitness to get all my stuff that I need from them and some Starbucks. Home to mow the grass. Does this look like grass mowing makeup? It's not, but you know, I got responsibilities. Mow the grass, take a shower, watch Big Brother, eat dinner, take medicine, go to bed, and it's time to start a new week. How does the weekend go by so fast? Okay, I just felt the need, you know, to share my heart with you, but I need to go get dressed. I'll be back. All right, guys, I am ready to roll. Here is the finished look. I hope you like it. I like it. It feels fallish, and I feel so happy to have gotten back into my ABH Modern Renaissance for another installment of this Back in the Day series. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. It helps out my channel a lot, and I appreciate it. Please and thank you. So until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys.